Want quick wins in Russian? Try these 7 high-frequency words you can use today. Learn 7 essential Russian words for quick wins. What does the image showing the Russian word privet represent in English? Answer. The word privet in Russian translates to hi in English and is used as a greeting.
Привет, как дела?
What does the Russian phrase spasibo mean when thanking someone for a meal? Answer. The phrase spasibo means thank you in English and is commonly used to express gratitude.
Спасибо за обед.
What is the meaning of the Russian word da when responding affirmatively? Answer. Da in Russian means yes and is used to agree or affirm.
Да, поняла.
What question does the Russian word где ask? Answer. The Russian word где means where and is used to ask about locations.
Где станция?
Нет. No.
Нет, спасибо.
Сколько? How many? How much?
Сколько стоит?
Помогите. Help.
Помогите, пожалуйста.
Start speaking Russian today with these essential words.